Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a capybara. So let's get started. To draw this cute capybara, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with an oval. And then, see, come to the sides right here and draw a circle for a highlight. And shade it all in. And then I'm going to come to the sides right here and just follow the top curve and then drag down a curve coming down. About there. So let's do the same thing on the other side. So let's say about nice and wide, say about right here. Go ahead and draw another oval. All right, make it lower. Always have to check my camera to make sure. About right there, and then once again another highlight right here and shade it all in. There, and then let's come to the sides and just draw a little curve once again. There. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and come right about here and we're going to draw another curve lightly on the sides, just for some detail. Sorry, this eye is like bugging me. Let's see if I can fix it. Let's make it a little bit rounder. Okay, a little bit better. And so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the mouth and nose area. So we're going to come right about here and draw this curve right in the center. And then let's bring it down. And then bring it in. So say about right here. It's going to be nice and long. And connect it. There. It looks so funny, right? So then in this space right here, about here, I'm going to go ahead and just draw oval. And shade it in for some nostrils. And here as well. And then we're going to come in the center, say about right here, and just draw a straight line going down. About there. And then as we head towards the bottom, we're just going to come out with a curve on both sides. And cap it off. There. So silly, right? And just gonna darken this little area up for the mouth. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and frame the face. So I'm going to come right next to this point right here, come out just a little bit, same thing over here. Give myself these 2 points and we're going to draw the top of the head. So we're going to slant in and not too high. So say about right here, let's go ahead and just draw a curve coming all the way down to the other side. There. And then let's widen this part out. So then about right here, we need to come out over the cheeks and then bring it in. There. So then we're going to come really close underneath there. So let's aim for that. Let's go down and then go around underneath. And so same thing here. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's draw the ears. So let's say about right here, I'm going to go up and come down. And then just draw a little curve right here for some details. And drag this across. So this is based on like a capybara emoji that I saw. But I can't figure out what platform's emoji it is. So I'm going to have to dig deeper and see if I can find out. Okay, so then now that we have this head in, let's go ahead and draw the body. So we're going to come out nice and wide. So let's say about right here. And the other side. So let's drag this across. Approximately right there for the body. And then I'm just going to zigzag a little bit so that we know it's nice and furry. Bring it down. If you want, you don't have to. And then let's see here. Then we have to draw the front legs, right? So let's say about right here. And here, so right there, just draw these two lines, and we're going to bring it down. There, and then let's come back up about right here. It's nice and thick, and then we're going to get thinner as we come down. And so same thing here. So about right there. Then let's go out for the fingers. So we're going to just pop them out, 1, and we're just going to draw 4. Spread them out, 2, 3, and 4. There, and so same thing over here. Oops. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so then for the back, let's come about right here, and then we're going to start to pop it out. And bring this all in towards the bottom. So let's do the same thing on the other side, about right here. So we're just going to continue this curve all the way across. There. So funny, right? And then some back right here, just going to put in a curve. 2 and 3. For some back feet right here. And same thing over here. 1, 2, and 3. Just fill in the space there. And let's see if we're missing anything. I think that is pretty much it, of course. And then I'm going to add a little heart right here in the center to make this my Draw So Cute capybara. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.